Hi, I am Florence Mayfair and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and reveal its cosmic secrets. In today's video, we're exploring the astrological forecast for Sagittarius in April 2025. This month invites you to balance playfulness and purpose, as cosmic shifts encourage both creative expression and a fresh approach to your daily routines. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your astrological journey begins now. Let's dive in. For Sagittarians, April 2025 blends creativity, passion, and practical adjustments. With your 5th and 6th houses highlighted, this is a month to reconnect with your joy and creativity, while also improving how you manage work, health, and responsibilities. Mercury retrograde, March 15 to April 7. Mercury retraces its steps through Aries, activating your 5th house of creativity, romance, and self-expression. This retrograde brings unfinished creative projects back into focus. Past lovers or old creative inspirations may resurface. Use this time to revise rather than launch. Venus retrograde, March 1st to April 12. Venus also retrogrades in Aries, urging you to reevaluate romantic relationships, creative passions, and your sense of fun. Are you honoring your need for play and authentic expression? After the 12th, clarity returns, helping you see what or who truly brings you joy. Mars in Taurus. Mars activates your 6th house of work, health, and routines, asking you to take practical action to improve your daily life. This is not glamorous energy, but it's necessary. Small steps toward health and organization will have long-term rewards. Venus enters Taurus April 30. At the end of the month, Venus joins Mars in Taurus, sweetening your work-life balance. This supports harmonious team collaborations, improvements to your workspace, and even enjoying simple pleasures in your daily routine. Career and finances. April asks Sagittarius to focus on refining work processes and professional relationships. Miscommunications are likely early in the month, but after Mercury turns direct on April 7th, teamwork and creative problem-solving improve. Creative Sagittarians might revisit old projects during the retrogrades. Some could have renewed financial potential. After April 30th, Venus brings a harmonious touch to work matters, making it easier to attract supportive colleagues or clients. Relationships. Romance takes on a reflective tone early in the month. With Venus retrograde in your 5th house, past romantic situations or creative partnerships might reappear. Avoid impulsive decisions until Venus goes direct on April 12th. For couples, reignite the spark through fun shared activities. Singles could reconnect with someone from the past or rediscover what they truly want in love. Health and well-being. With Mars and later Venus in your 6th house, routine is everything this month. Physical vitality may fluctuate, especially if stress from work builds up. Balance creativity with self-care. Establish gentle, sustainable routines that support both your health and your sense of purpose. Mindful eating, consistent movement, and daily grounding practices will keep your fiery energy stable. Best days for success. April 7th, Mercury turns direct, communication flows better, and creative clarity returns. April 19th, the Sun conjuncts the North Node, spotlighting a personal creative breakthrough or a moment of romantic destiny. April 30th, Venus enters Taurus, great for upgrading your work environment and finding joy in your daily habits. What to avoid? April 1st to 7, the last stretch of Mercury retrograde. Avoid launching creative projects or starting new romances. April 20, Mars in Taurus squares Pluto in Aquarius, which could trigger conflict between your desire for personal freedom and external obligations. Stay flexible and avoid stubborn standoffs. April 2025 invites Sagittarians to rediscover joy while grounding their daily lives. By blending creativity with practical improvements, you'll create a life that feels both expansive and sustainable. Want to dive deeper? Download the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner for free using the link in the description to align your actions with the cosmic cycles. How will you reconnect with your creative spark this month? Share your ideas in the comments. I'd love to know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss your next cosmic update. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.